Good morning, student. In paper second, the fourth and last chapter is standard discrete distributions. So first point is uniform distribution. A discrete random variable x taking values 1, 2, so on up to n is said to follow uniform distribution with parameter n if its probability mass function PMF is as follows. So P of x, capital X is equal to small x, which is equal to 1 by n, where capital X is running from 1 to up to so on n, which is equal to also 0 otherwise. Symbolically, we write x related to u of n to denote the random variable x follows uniform distribution with parameter n. Next point, nature of the probability distribution. The uniform distribution is symmetric distribution and its probability mass function shows following nature. This nature shows probability mass function. The graph of the probability distribution of uniform distribution looks like rectangle. This graph looks like as a rectangle. Then it is also known as rectangular distribution. So this graph look like as a rectangle, so it is also known as rectangular distribution. Next point, mean and variance of uniform distribution. Let x is related to u of n distribution, then mean, which is equal to e of x, which is also equal to summation x into p of x, where 1 to n, which is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, and variance is equal to v of x, which is equal to e of x square minus bracket e of x bracket square, which is equal to n square minus 1 upon 12, and therefore standard deviation of x is equal to under root n square minus 1 upon 12, where e of x square, which is equal to summation x square into p of x 1 to n, which is equal to in bracket n plus 1 bracket complete, next bracket 2n plus 1 upon 6. Then real life situations. First, the birthday of a person can fall on any day of a week. Next, second, the experiment of drawing a card from a deck of 52 playing cards at random. Next, we discuss example. So, first example. If a random variable x has discrete uniform distribution with parameter n, find the value of n if e of x is equal to v of x. Then solution. We have to calculate n, value of n. Then if x is related to u of n distribution, then its mean and variance is given by, we know that mean u of x is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, and variance v of x is equal to n square minus 1 upon 12, and we have to given thing is e of x is equal to v of x, then u of x is n plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to n square minus 1 upon 12. Then therefore 12 into n plus 1 which is equal to 2 into n square minus 1. So multiply 12 in the bracket, 12n plus 12, which is equal to 2 multiply bracket 2n square minus 2. Then rearranging the term, 2n square minus 2 minus 12 minus 12n, which is equal to 0. Then 2n square minus 2 and minus 12 is minus 14 minus 12n, which is equal to 0. Then divide this equation by 2 is n square minus 7 minus 6n, which is equal to 0. N square minus 6n minus 7 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. So roots of this quadratic polynomial is n minus 1, n minus 7 into n plus 1, which is equal to 0, and which implies n is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 1. But n cannot be negative. But n cannot be negative. So therefore n is equal to 7. Now in the next example is a roulette wheel is divided into 25 sectors of equal area numbered from 1 to 25. Let x is the number that occurs when the wheel spun. Find first probability mass function of x, second p of x greater or equal 15, third mean of x. So solution when the roulette wheel is spun any number from 1 to 25 can occurs randomly, then let capital X be the number that occurs when the wheel spun, then x is related to u of n and n is equal to 25. So first we have to calculate probability mass function. So first condition is, therefore the PMF, that is probability mass function of capital X, is P of X is capital X is equal to small x, which is equal to 1 by n, that is 1 by 25. X is equal to 1, 2 up to 25 and 0 otherwise. Second condition is P of x greater or equal 15, that is second P of capital X is greater or equal 15, which is equal to P of capital X is equal to 15 plus P of capital X is equal to 16 plus up to so on, plus P of capital X is equal to 25, which is also equal to, so from this P of x is equal to 15 is 1 by 25. Here put x is equal to 15, P of x is equal to 15 is 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 plus 1 by 25 plus so on up to plus 1 by 25. (15, 16), this is 17, 18, 19, 20, Adding this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 by 25. So P of x greater or equal 25 is 11 by 25. Next, mean of x, that is mean of capital X is equal to E of x, and E of x is n plus 1 divided by 2, and n is 25 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 26 by 2, and which is equal to 13.